You can purchase cards of individual who are doing quite of business and they are having a quite of benefits without having any specific education. In my opinion, bro, education doesn't matter. In my opinion, kinds of experience matters.
Like in my opinion, education is mandatory for all the students. Like as
But
you
bro,
said that you can open the business by education easily. Like
Everybody knows that like some of the individuals are and some of the students are wasting their parents' money while taking a education from the foreign countries. Like some of the individuals are doing MBBS from the Russia and other kinds of countries.
Like
and
you
they are
can
wasting
take
their parents'
education
money.
in India also.
Alright, bro.
There
So
is
in MIT
also a good
University,
education.
you can perceive that the fees of the MIT University is way higher than the budget of a poor people.
So why are you going
guy.
towards the private sector? You can go
No, bro.
towards the government sector. Like
But-
the government also gives you free education.
Alright, so to the
Like you can go towards the Bhimrao Ambedkar College. There are lots of students who are going in that college and taking good education there.
Bro, but if you start considering the higher packages of the student, then you will find out that which
Like,
college is
if
providing
you-
the good education. Like,
Like
if there is
if
no
you score good, you can achieve a good package job easily.
no, bro. In my opinion, placements matters. Like if there is no company who is coming inside any kind of specific college that you are fancying, so what will they do? They will never have a proper job.
Like if
That's
you are
why, in my opinion,
educated,
experience matters. Like if you are wasting your 25 lakhs rupees while doing MBBS from a Western country, in my opinion, you should do a specific kinds of course which is who will teach you about the kinds of.
it is also
business
a part of education.
I am just
Bro.
saying you. I am just telling you that you should learn the experience. Like if some of the individuals are just reading physics and other kinds of subjects, in spite of having a proper wisdom about the subject. So in my opinion, bro,
In my
experience matters.
opinion,
Like
in all of the things, education matters.
Like if I-
you are educated, you can do anything.
Okay.
Like you are taking other courses, it is also a part of education.
No, I was just giving an example of experience. How we can acquire the education from. Oh, sorry. How we can acquire the experience from somewhere. Like we can acquire experience from soaps from the businessmen. Like we don't have to pay a specific amount of money to them, and we don't have to give.
Most of the businessmen take students and take the money from them and giving the experience to them.
Yes. So in my opinion,
It
if
is-
you are wasting your money while taking education, you should.
Bro, it is a part of education. They are taking education of the business from the businessman.
Yes, but bro, it is a part of experience. Like they are not wasting their 3 to 4 years while doing a specific kinds of course. Like they are not going to a
Like,
specific
I
location.
want to tell
Like they are
that
not going to a
education
specific
is
college.
not that you are taking in the schools. Education
No,
is
bro.
also that which you are taking from the other persons.
Yes, like from the outside of the school.
Out of
Bro,
the school.
Like.
Like
And that's why I was saying that experience matters. Because bro, the learning you are getting from outside the school, that's go.
learning from other
This is known as the
another
experience.
sources. This is also part of the education.
No, bro, this is a part of experience. Like if we are learning something from the roads and if we are learning something from the streets of the India, then bro, it will be considered as an experience.
It
How can you say that?
increase your
if we are-
education, bro.
No, bro, it is a part of
your
okay,
skills.
it is a part of learning. It is a part of experience. We can't say that anything which we are learning outside.